Dreamers, believers, purposeful beings. I'm one half of Stay on Your Daily, and that's my intro, right? And today we're discussing business mindsets and fear, right? And why fear is what's not allowing you to move forward and vertical your business, right? Fear, right, when it comes to business and in every aspect of your life, is the unknown. Fear is the unknown or the worry of failure. Right? So those are the two principles behind fear. Why fear is what usually causes atrophy in the marketplace and you can't make decisions, right? Because you fear the outcome, right? You fear the failure and you don't know what's going to happen, right? How can you overcome this, right? How do you trump fear, right? How do you just stomp it out, right? There's one critical way of doing it. It's the only way to do it. Data. Right? You ever see those attorneys in those movies that they walk in and they just act like they know more than everybody? Because they do. Confidence exudes from, confidence exudes from them because they have the right data. They have all the evidence, right? And so they trounce fear. They're not afraid because they have the statistical probability to make a worst case scenario determination. We've talked about worst case scenarios and how you should be doing all your decision making, right? The complete data, right? And you input that data and you come up with the worst case scenario. And if you could live with the outcome of that worst case scenario, you move forward, right? And you trump your fear, right? Because you know the probability of the outcome. And why is that important in business? Guess why you fear in your business, right? Because you're not collecting data. You're not doing it, right? I would say that in our experience, the empirical data that we have gathered, I would say that 3 out of 4 businesses don't regularly update and keep their data. They're not keeping matrices. They don't have the performance indicators to really become outcome determinative, right? You just don't have it, right? You just don't spend the time on it. You don't think it's important. But operations is the biggest part of your business because it is how data lends itself to trumping fear. It's how data, right, engages your end user, right? If I have data that says, listen, in your case, right, you're talking to a prospective client and you say, hey, listen, in your case, in 55% of the cases, just like yours, we've seen this type of outcome, right? Because you have the data, you compiled the data. Now you could sell with that data, right? That's better than saying we're the best, right? We talked about comparatives. We're faster, better, stronger, Kanye West mindset. That's not selling me, right? Give me percentages. Give me the likelihood of a positive outcome for me. What's the engagement going to really turn over as to my interest as a prospective client? How am I benefiting from your engagement? Data proves that. Collecting data sells, right? It overcomes the fear of I don't know how I'm going to close this person. It overcomes the fear of what am I going to do next, right? Here's another one about data. Your business plan, right? How often are you looking at it? I'll say again, I think 3 out of 4 businesses don't even have one, right? They start with one and then they never update it. There should be a quarterly review. Quarterly, looking at it, looking at the data. Data is how you beat fear. Data is how you scale your business. Data is why everybody else is winning and sometimes you're not. Start focusing on the data more than anything. Compile it, put it in matrices, make a pie chart. I don't care, and stay on your daily. Thank you for watching. Remember, we post every Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do business development and operation strategies. Our YouTube is dedicated to giving you better business practice tips so that you can vertical your business. Check out our website, www.stayonyourdaily.com. We have a bunch of content there and you get a better gist of what Stay on Your Daily actually can do for your business. So guess what? Stay on your daily.